Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Facebook story not showing. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So for this you just need to go on the Play Store. These are the only way how to fix any application or any bug hopping on application, because this is the bug, not the application problem or not your mobile phone problem. This is internet or maybe server problem here. So for this is just need to go on app information and update your application from Play Store. Then you have to go on the app information here and clear all the cache all the data here. After that you just have to go on the permission option and allow all the permission permitted here, like calendar, contact, sharing, microphone, and all the permission are able to allow. So after that you just have to refresh the Facebook application or maybe restart your mobile phone, and then you can access all of the stories. All of stories will be shown on Facebook. Now you can see the stories are showing on the facebook.com. So this is the way how you can fix Facebook story not showing. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.